Hello to all you beautiful and smart little animators. Were you able to do the animations? Did you practice a lot? Great job! Today we're going to learn part 2 of the tutorial. Now our story's little fox has come out of its den and wants to go into the forest to look for food. On the other side of the forest, the clever hedgehog is also looking for food behind the hills. Are you ready to get to the animation? Then watch carefully. In the last episode, we learned to set up the forest with trees, hills, the sun, and clouds. Now, the fox and the hedgehog have been added to that scene. I'm going to draw the movement path for the fox. Do you remember how the fox walks? Now, I'll also draw the movement path for the hedgehog. You remember how the hedgehog walks too, right? Okay, now let's look at the shifty fox's movement path. See? The fox is moving along the line we drew. I'll tell you a secret. Every time the fox steps UP, his tail goes DON. And when he steps down, his tail goes U. So, did you see the animation path? How much action and excitement there was? The key here is how we showed the fast speed of the hedgehog turning into a ball. Now, practice this part carefully and try to add fast, surprising movements into your animations. If you enjoyed our show, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Goodbye, talented animators! Keep practicing until next time when we return with a brand new lesson.